See what we got here, some railroad train cars just sitting in the woods, still sitting on the tracks. This is at Indian Head in Maryland, and from what I believe, these cars were left here at one time during the war. These are probably about, some date stamps on the track is like 1946 is when they were put in. And from what I believe, Indian Head was making a lot of the ordnance and powder and stuff like that for the war. And that's what these train cars are used for, to haul all that stuff around with. Now, some of these are left here because they were contaminated with that stuff, and since then it's been removed and cleaned up, but yet here they sit. And they're all over the place in this place. Old cars, train tracks still all over the place. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.